Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I was sitting here about to glue on some nails. I wasn't going to record yet. I was going to wait until I got them glued on. I showed you guys before that I had got these GELISH soft gel tips medium coffin from Sally Beauty Supply. So this is my first time opening them and using them. So I have them all laid out here and ready to go. If you guys remember me showing you, I think like I had a mini Amazon haul, and I had got this flashlight, and it's actually for curing nails. So I had my lamp set up because I was going to use this, but then I remembered I had this flashlight that I have not tried yet that I got to use specifically for doing the gel glue nails, because it's hard trying to hold the nail in place and getting it inside of the lamp. It's kind of difficult. So that's why I ordered this, to see if there was some way I could figure it out to hold this up and flash cure it while I'm still holding the nail in place. The only thing is, I did not order the holder for the little flashlight cure lamp to go in. So I'm going to kind of experiment around with a couple things right quick. And I just thought I'd show you guys how that goes and how I figure out doing this, and if this works with curing the gel glue nail onto my nail with this lamp. So I have the batteries in it ready to go. I just put batteries in it, so I hadn't even did that yet until just now. And you can see, that's how I'm trying to not blind y'all, but you can see the blue light there. So I've got that set. So I was thinking of trying to either hang it from somewhere above. I seen on Baby Girl Nails channel, she has a polish holder that has like a clip on it that she clips hers into, which is perfect. And I should have just ordered it, but I thought I had something I could use. But I can't remember what it was I was thinking about. So I'm going to grab a couple things, try a couple things out, and then I will come right back and show you guys what I did, and then see how well this works with curing. First, I'm going to try it in my Twixie hinge and see how this works. So I just have it down in here. I'm just going to turn it on and try to put my finger in front and see if this works. So I have it at a little bit of an angle. I think about right here should work. Let's try a thumbnail first. I already prepped and primed them and dehydrated them, which is why they're so dry on the side. So that's why they look a little crusty. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on now. Push the thumb on here. Turn it this way. Okay. I don't know how close I have to be, and I don't know if it automatically turns off or anything. It didn't come with any directions. I don't think it does, since it has that little push button. What I should have did was turned this one on so I could go by a timer. I think I'll do that next time. Okay, by my camera, I think it's been about 60 seconds so far. And it's on there. So far, so good. This is the next one. I'm going to do the pointer. Make sure it fits. Little glue. I put my other gel lamp on 60 seconds, so I can at least know how long I've been holding it here. Okay. Yep, it's on there good. I had a little bit of overage. I put a little bit too much glue, but I can file that down. But they're on there nice and tight. All right, y'all, so I am happy with this little lamp. It did the job. I mean, they're on there just as good as they would be using a regular lamp. It doesn't take long at all, but I've just been holding it there a little longer just because I was forgetting to put the timer on the lamp, so just to make sure. But they were on there nice and tight well before the 60 seconds, so it's working out pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on the next hand. This time I'm gonna put the glue inside and stick it to my nail and try it that way. See how this works out. Turn it on. And so far I'm liking the way that these feel. These GELISH ones, they're nice and strong. They're not flimsy. They're really nice and hard and strong. I'm still going to cut them down though. So I didn't want them this long. I was going to cut them super short. I haven't decided yet. I might keep some length just because I like the way that they feel now. These feel a lot better than the last ones I recently had on when I showed you guys my nails of the week with the blue Peeps polish. Those were just regular glue-on nails, and those are super thin. By day 3, all of them had split and broke. I had them all cut down to my regular nail because they had all split down the middle at some point in the day. So they didn't last very long at all. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the pointer finger. Put a little bit of glue in here. And this glue is really, really thick. So I'm just doing thin layers. So when I push it down, it won't overflow, because I did do that on a couple on my other hand, where I added a bit too much glue. This, I probably should have fouled this on the sides a little bit. It's a little wide, but I'm just going to leave it as is for now. But I think I could have went with a smaller one, because I noticed when I pushed it down over here on this hand, see how the edge of this one is just a little further than my actual nail bed, but I can still kind of file that down and get it to match up with it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut them down. Yeah, this is a little too close. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so I love this new cutter that I got. It's a little clear case that goes on here to catch the clippings, but it keeps popping off every time I push it, so I just leave it off. I'm always on 3, so I might do 3. Let me give it a cut and see if that's about where I want it. I don't want them popping inside of there. Let's see, I want you guys to be able to see. Want them a little shorter. Yep, so I don't know if you guys can see the numbers, so I'm using number 2. Going to use my new Kiss green tea infused glue and press on nail for a fresh artificial nails file. So this file, I love it. I think this was the last one when I picked it up at CVS, but it works so good on the glue-on nails like it says. It worked perfectly. So I'm going to keep an eye out for more of these. I want to get a couple more. I think it was $1.99, but this side is like really coarse, and then this side is softer. So yeah, this worked out really, really good. So I have them filed. Feels like this one's a little crooked. I'm gonna have to fix this middle one, but I have them all filed up and ready to go. So now I'm just trying to decide between polish. I had went back to CVS. I had a coupon that was going to expire. So I went back, and when I did, I picked up these two. I got this Express Essie. This is my first one. So I finally have an Express Essie now. This is in a translucent finish. And this one is called Mall Crawler. So I thought this was a really pretty light pink. And then I picked up this pretty holographic paparazzi. And this one is called Vacation Vibes. So I was trying to decide on which one I want to use. I'm really drawn to this one, I think, just because it looks so pretty. And I do have this one over here, the Sheer Matte Simple Colors in hot pink tights that I got from Walmart. I probably wouldn't keep it matte. I would probably go over it with a glossy top coat. I don't too much like matte. So those are the colors I'm trying to decide between. I think I'm gonna let hubby pick a color, see which one he likes. What color? That one. Well, then, which color should I use? You're not on camera, just my hand. Which color do you like?
Oh, you? Oh, me.
Which one? The hot pink?
Or you can mix, okay?
No, them don't match. This holographic, but Steve and Elijah picked that one. That's the one I was leaning towards too.
It's like three-dimensional colors.
It's called holographic. That's your choice. That'll be 3 out of 3.
Oh, like this is different.
I wasn't supposed to open it. No, it's okay. That's fine. So I ended up taking it up. I took 4 colors up. I asked my husband, my son, and my mother-in-law which color they think, and they all picked the Paparazzi Vacation Vibe. So that's what I'm gonna go with. I had put this one in there too because I forgot about this one. I do like this color, but it didn't win. I was kind of leaning towards this one anyway, so that's fine. So that's what we gonna use, y'all. done, I added some butterfly stickers, couple of rhinestones, which they're 2 different colors. I did not pay attention to that. I didn't put anything on the thumb. I just left it by itself. And I'm loving the color of the paparazzi that I used. It's really pretty. It has such a nice holographic color to it. They only had this color left and like a red one because they were on sale when I went back for like $2.49. So they were almost all of the ones that were on sale like this were gone. They didn't have any more of the holographic colors. So I'll have to check another store. But really nice for it to be paparazzi. Really nice holographic. So yes, you guys, that is it. Once again, I used the GELISH soft tips. They are medium coffin, and I got these at Sally Beauty Supply for about $7.99. I really like these. They're really nice and sturdy. And I just used them with the nail glue that I already had from my Beetles kit. And cured them with my Flash Cure flashlight that I got from Amazon. If I don't forget, I'll put a link in the description box, but if you don't see an exact link to just the flashlight itself, you can click on my link in the description box. I always put my Amazon wish list down there, so if you guys click on the link for my Amazon wish list, you will find this Flash Cure flashlight in that list as well. It shouldn't be too far down. Scroll a little bit and it should pop right up, and then they come in different colors as well. So yeah, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.